Hi guys, we're back with another video, and I'm going to show you a Rubik's Cube video, my Rubik's Cube collection. So this one is from my next cube from Kmart. That cost $9, and this is how fast it goes. It is very smooth. I'll show you. Alright, now we're going to the 2x0. I got this from Bargain's Basement, and this is how fast it goes. Hold on. This is my one that I got with my tickets from Nathaniel's party, and it costs 1,000 tickets. And with the next cube, I got a stand with it, which is right here, so I can do this. And I have one more Rubik's Cube, just in my bag.